Yeah, good morning, everybody. I was speaking with Simon Kabarage. I'm the managing director for Pavidi Agro Company Limited. Pavidi Agro Company is a seed company that deals with the production of basic and certified seed, especially in maize, sorghum, beans, and groundnuts. But we categorize into two groups, into two main breeds. We have the basic, three. We have the basic seeds of both, and we are dealing with also certified as well as QDS. And in terms of QDS, this is where we are working with the farmers associations. And within the farmers associations, 75% are women, and 65% are youth. So you can see how we work closely with these two groups, the women and the youth. Come to our project, the recent project that we will work with you. Currently, we have already started the production. We have the farm seed production of certified basic seeds and the QDS. So, and both of these three farmers, we are three farms. We are working with youth and women. So even within the company, 75% are women and 65% are youth. Our company located in Mbozi districts and in Songwe region, as well as this is in Tanzania. But we are operating in Southern Highland, even in lake zones. This is where we are working with smallholder farmers. So now come to your project. Once you support us, these SGs, we are sure that because we have already started the production, we are sure that we will use this amount. This for us is a huge amount. We use it directly to the demos that are currently we have already planted, and we continue planting the demos in different areas. But this one is within the Southern Highlands. The demos of nutritional varieties, especially on the beans, we have Target 6, and we have also the maize. This one is the VAA, vitamin A hybrid. Also we have the demos in Southern Highlands. So once we give us this grant, we use that grant on demos, operations, feed days. Previously we have done the feed days with farmers, especially youth and women. Also we will use it on the processing as well as promotions. So once we give us that money, we will not regret that the price you place your money. It's okay. And we currently done this even the last season. We have done this with the CIMIT through the Avisa project. So it's my warm and pleasure to say that we are welcoming you for our company within the Pavidi Agro, and we are ready to work with you, especially to encourage the women and youth engaging in farmers' activities. And this one goes directly to empower the smallholder farmers in rural areas. So let me take this opportunity to thank you for even to start on how you are working closely to support the African countries, especially the small entities like ours, like Pavidi Agro, that you are going to support with this a huge amount of money, this $300. And we assure you that we are going to work even 100% according to the company objectives and donors objectives. Thank you for your time.